Here's your 2-minute teaching tip. Hi, I'm Brian Moon, Associate Director at the UAB Center for Teaching and Learning. Today's tip is related to AI and the resources we have curated to help faculty better understand AI, its current capabilities and limitations, and its impact and implications for both faculty and students. Start that 2-minute timer now. One of our key resources is the Provost's AI Task Force report. This comprehensive document, prepared by the Provost-appointed AI Working Group, provides insights in artificial intelligence and its implications for the UAB community. It also includes several suggested syllabus statements related to AI that you can use in your courses, depending on whether or not you want your students using AI tools to complete their coursework. Next, we have the Sentient Syllabus Project. This open source, constantly evolving initiative provides resources on AI technology in higher education. It offers general principles on AI in the academy, what faculty and administrators need to know about AI, additional syllabus resources, ideas for course activities, and guidance on creating course learning objectives. The Sentient Syllabus Project is guided by 3 main principles. First, that an AI cannot pass a course. The goal is to surpass AI, making it a tool rather than a competitor, which may require faculty to adjust their learning objectives or assessment methods to make sure that the work that students are submitting is their own and not from ChatGPT. Second, AI contributions must be attributed and factually correct. The source of the AI's ideas can be challenging to identify, and sometimes the AI can be completely incorrect. Lastly, any AI use should be open and documented. By knowing upfront what is or is not AI produced, we can focus on what matters: education. We also have UAB-specific event recordings on this page for viewing. These events provide valuable insights to AI's role in education and how specific teachers at UAB are currently using it in their courses. For further reading, we've curated a list of articles on AI in higher education from reputable sources like the Chronicle of Higher Education, Inside Higher Education, Times Higher Education, University World News, and more. Finally, our CTL workshops offer hands-on learning experiences for faculty on various topics, including Blazer Core teaching, global awareness, and teaching effectiveness. We encourage you to join us for any of these workshops with your AI-related questions and concerns. We hope these resources will help you navigate the rapidly evolving landscape of AI in education. Visit our website at uab.edu/ctl or access our AI resources page directly by going to go.uab.edu/ctl-ai. I'm Brian Moon with the UAB Center for Teaching and Learning, and this has been your 2-minute teaching tip.